Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Omotenilami, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make organic whitening black soap, and we can also call it MOLATO soap, extra whitening MOLATO soap. This soap lightens or brightens up your skin 2 to 3 shades lighter. It gives you a very light skin if you use this soap regularly, and soap clears out dark spots, dark armpits, or dark inner tights. You can use this soap in fading off the dark parts of your skin. So first of all, I'll be introducing you to the ingredients. This is organic Ghana based soap. Here we have the anti-pimples balls and 7 days fast action balls. This is a base soap also called the ozone soap in pink color. We'll be using turmeric powder, orange peel powder, green tea powder, magnesium sulfate called MOLATO salt, any lightening oil of your choice. This is uniform white, glycerin, lemon juice. You can use lime, but lime is ash. This is omiaro, lactic acid. This is lactic acid, vitamin E, half cast oil, rose water. Will not be adding any water to it. If you're adding water, it would be rose water or glycerin. So the first thing we'll be doing now is we'll be pounding the soap bases and the balls together. Mix it up, girl, put it in motion. No compromising, make up your mind. We're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind, lay it all on the line. So deep in there, I can see the bottom. After pounding, we'll be adding our liquid ingredients using our tablespoon. So I'll be adding the omiaro first. We'll be adding 1 full tablespoon. So this is half tablespoon, so I'll be adding 2 of this spoon to the soap. We'll be adding the half cast oil, also 1 tablespoon. So this is half tablespoon. I'll be adding 2 also. I can't find my tablespoon, so that's why I'm using the half tablespoon. Sorry. Same measurements for the glycerin. 1 full tablespoon of glycerin. One full tablespoon of lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of lactic acid. So the next thing we'll be doing now is mixing it together carefully. The next phase now is the powder phase. So we'll be adding our powders. First of all, I'll be adding the turmeric powder, then the orange peel, mix together once more. Try to blend everything together. Now I'll be adding the green tea powder and mix again. So I'm trying to add it one after the other so there won't be lumps in it, so it can be smooth. Next, now I'll be adding the magnesium sulfate called MOLATO salt. I'll be adding the vitamin B3, then mix together and pound. Half tablespoon of vitamin B3 is enough for this mixture. The next step now is I'll be adding the rose water. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of rose water. So as you know, I'm using the half tablespoon, so I'll be adding 2 of my half tablespoon. I'll be adding the lightening oil. I'll be using uniform white oil. You can use any lightening oil. You can use Carrot White, you can use City Plus, you can use any lightening oil of your choice. And half tablespoon of vitamin E oil. I'll be mixing together again. So now our soap is ready. You can package it, you can pour it in a airtight jar. This soap is very good if you want to get lighter. It's a lightening body soap and it's organic. Very good in fading off dark spots and dark patches. You can use it for clearing off pigmentations, but do not use this on your face because it's a bit harsh. Don't use the soap on your face. I'll be sharing a facial soap tutorial very soon. This soap is for your body, not to be used on your face. Thank you. If you are viewing my video for the first time, please, I want you to subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. And please like my videos, share my videos, don't keep it to yourself. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye.